Good morning, everyone. Today, again start our virtual class. Last day, we are already discussed the all French alphabets. I think everybody practice in your home. So today we discuss some make some words with the help of alphabets. Whatever discussed in the last day only for the sound of alphabets, because French alphabet and the English alphabet are the same but the pronunciation are different. Last day we are already discussed the all pronunciation of French alphabets. Today we discuss the some words with the help of the all alphabets. So everybody look at the board. Sorry. So everybody look at the board. I write in the board all alphabets, sound, and also the help of the alphabets make some words. Sorry. Everybody see the board. And I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, note down it and tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Everybody open your copy. At first, today's date is 29th April 2021. Day is Thursday, subject is French, and today topic make some words with the help of alphabets. See the board properly. And after the class I will send it some picture to you understand betterly. Okay. Alphabets A, that is sound A. A sound A. So you write avion. Avion, A-V-I-O-N, avion. I repeat again, A-V-I-O-N, avion, avion. Avion means plane or aeroport. A-E-R-O, aeroport, P-O-R-T. Avion means plane. Aeroport means airport. Okay. So A, that is sound A. So avion. I repeat again, avion. And aeroport, A-E-R-O, aero, P-O-R-T, aeroport. What is the symbol? This symbol is sound is accent aigu. This symbol after few days I will discuss it. Okay. Now B, that is sound is bay. That is sound is bay. Bay. This sound is bay. Baby, that means baby. And also B-A-L, ball, that means football. B-A-L, ball, that means football. C, that sound say, C-O-C-A, coca. C-O-C-A, coca. Coca means Coca-Cola. Coca, that means Coca-Cola. Everybody know it, Coca. D. D for they. D for they. I repeat again. D for they. What is the DIN? DIN. DON. Din, don. DIN. Din. DON. Don. Din, don. Din, don. That means turkey. That means turkey. Okay. E for A. A. Elephant. 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 That means elephant. 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 F for F. F. Fromage. 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 F-R-O. Fro-M-A-G-E. Fromage. Fromage means cheese. Cheese. Fromage. J. J. That for giraffe. 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 Okay. H. Ash for Ibu. Ibu. H is mute. H-I-B-O-U. Ibu. Ibu. Ibu means owl. Ibu means owl. Okay. And it is the first part. I for E. E for igloo. Igloo. That means igloo. That what igloo. G. G for jaguar. Jaguar. That means leopard. Jaguar. K. K for kangaroo. K-A-N. Ka. That means kangaroo. G-O-U-R-O-U. Kangaroo. Igloo. Igloo. Jaguar. Kangaroo. That means kangaroo. L. L for lion. That means lion. 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 M. M for meal. That means honey. Meal. M-I-M-E-L-L. Meal. N for N. For knee. N-I-D. Knee. N-I-D. Knee. Knee means nest. Meal means honey. Knee for nest. Nest. Oiseau. O for oiseau. O-I-S-E-A-U. Oiseau. Oiseau. Oiseau means bird. O-I-S-E-A-U. After any consonant, if you put any vowel, the sound is converted to zo. Oiseau. Next one, P. P. P for perroquet. 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 Perroquet means parrot. Perroquet means parrot. Q. Q means curve. Q U E U E. That means tell. Q U E U E. Q U E U E. Curve. Curve means tell. Curve. That means tell. R for rose. R for rose. That means rose. S for Sanj. S for Sanj. Sanj. T. T for tigre. That means tiger. Tigre. Tigre. Sanj means monkey. Tigre. That means tiger. U for uniform. Uniform. UNI. Uniform. FORM. Uniform. That means uniform. V. V for Vash. VACHE. Vash. Vash means cow. Vash means cow. W. That is wagon. 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 Wagon, that means compartment. Rail compartment. Rail compartment. X for xylophone. Xylophone. That means synthesizer. Xylophone. Y, that means Ishak. Boat. Ishak, that means boat. Z for zebra. That means zebra. Zebra. So I repeat again. A for avion. A for avion. Avion. A for avion. 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 That means plane. And aeroport. Aeroport. AERO. Aero. PORT. Port. Aeroport means airport. B for baby. B for baby. Baby means baby. C for coca. 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 Okay. D for dindon. D for dindon. 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 That means turkey. E for elephant. E for elephant. 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 That means elephant. A for fromage. 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 G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for ibu. H for ibu. Ibu means owl. HIBOU. Ibu. I, that means E. E for igloo. Igloo, that means igloo. IGLOO. G for jaguar. 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 Jaguar means jaguar or leopard. K for kangaroo. 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 L for lion. L. That means L. L for lion. Lion. M for meal. Miel. Meal. Miel. Meal. That means honey. N for nest. Nid. That means nest. O for oiseau. Oiacau. Oiseau. Oiseau. That means bird. P for perroquet. 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 Q. That means Queu. Q means tail. R for rose. Rose. That means rose. S for sans. Singe. Sans means monkey. Singe. Sans. T for tigre. Tigre. Tigre means tiger. U for uniform. 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 V for vache. Vache. Vache means cow. W for wagon. Wagon. Wagon means train compartment. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Xylophone means synthesizer or allophone. Y, that means ishak. Yachat. That means boat. And zebra. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. So all the alphabets I have to make some words and sound also. Today this is discussed. I again told you, if you any problem, any doubt, just call me. I have to rectify your problem. Whatever we discuss it, you have to write in your copy. And if you any problem, any doubt, just tell me. I have to rectify your problem. Okay? So today is for that. Till then, bye bye.